welcome back to my channel. So this video is another wig install, and this video is sponsored by Nadula hair. So they sent me I think this is a 5x5 closure wig. Yes guys, this is a closure wig. I'll show you guys right here. So this is a closure wig, and I finessed it into a side part. I normally do middle part mostly when I have my closures, because I just feel like with side parts they just never come out good. But I decided to just give it a try and finesse it, and I feel like it is cute. Like, you can't really tell unless like when you come up close, and then when you come like really close, then you'll see like where the closure stops, like right here. But apart from that, it's, you know, and it's not like I'm wearing it like that. Like when I fix it, it doesn't look, it's not obvious. So yeah, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the box. So they did send me this beautiful robe that I'm wearing. It's a silk robe with the Nadula name on the back, and I think it's on this side as well. This silky nude robe, I actually love it. Obviously the wig, which I'll be showing you guys, yeah, obviously the wig, which I'll be showing you guys more of when I am installing it. But as for what came inside the box, they sent me some stocking cap, Nadula headband. I think this is a, well, not I think so, this is a headband that you could use to accessorize your wig if you choose to like wear headbands with it. And they also sent me the different type of lace, which I'll be showing you guys just now. Also this scarf, ooh, white clips, and some lashes. No, for the lace, so they sent me two different laces because I think people, well, I don't think, but I feel like people tend to mix up the different type of laces. Like, there are transparent, regular, and HD lace. Sometimes when you get HD laces from companies, it literally feels like transparent laces. So the transparent laces, they're more like, it's more on the thicker side, but it's white. The HD lace is more of a, like, it's stretchy, like it's very stretchy. The transparent lace does not stretch like that, so it doesn't melt like that. The stretchier your lace, the more it melts, type of thing. And obviously the regular lace is the regular lace that is hard to blend. So they did send me HD lace. As you can see, it blended perfectly. But I'm gonna be showing you guys the different laces that they are. So I'm gonna start with the first lace that everybody knows that we were working with way before HD or transparent came about, and it is the regular lace. And with the regular lace, nowadays the regular laces are not so thick, but before they were very, very thick. Now they're not so bad. Skin tone, obviously you see that they're like, you know, some things there because it's different. It's a different shade from my skin tone. When you're a darker skin tone, it's fine, but my skin tone and lighter, this will not work. The transparent lace, which is this lace, it's more white, but still it takes a longer, or it's harder to blend as opposed to the HD lace. It's better than the regular lace, but it's not as good as the HD lace. You would have to definitely go in and tint it, use your makeup and all of that, because as you can see, even though I'm light skinned, it's still showing lighter than my skin tone. So you definitely have to do some makeup or some tinting with the transparent lace. HD lace. So this lace is a lace that blends with any skin tone regardless. As you can see, as soon as I put it on, you don't really see it. Like right here, it's not done, but as you can check, like you don't see it. With this lace, you don't really have to put makeup on it because As you can see, it blends naturally without makeup or tinting or anything like that. But some people do go in and still add their makeup to make it blend even better, but you don't need the makeup. But yeah, so these are the 3 different laces for those who don't really understand the difference between them. But yeah, so that is just my little explanation on like the different laces that they are, how they blend, the different skin tone that they work with, the different skin tone that they work better with, and how it will look on, like, you know, my skin tone type of thing. But anyways, let's just jump into the video. My lashes are coming off, but you know what, it is what it is. Let's just jump into the installation of the video of the wig. Like, what's wrong with me? But yeah, let's just jump into the installation of the wig and let me show you guys like what the wig looks like. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so because this is a closure wig, I'm not going to be doing my ball cap method. I'm just going to be doing it like this. The last time I did a closure wig, I kind of messed up the ball cap method by leaving it at the front too much. I'm gonna push it back so I don't have that problem, because I don't like to see the line right here showing. So I'm definitely going to be fixing that by pushing it back further, but I'm still going to be putting on some makeup on it so it blends a little bit more. I need to buy a new one for this. But yeah, this is the wig. I plucked and bleached it off camera, and this is how it's looking. Like, where's the lace, you know? Yep.
like a lie machine.
Okay, so I'm going to go do my makeup and then come back and show you guys the result. Like, you know, oh, it actually turned out. Yeah.
I don't know
So this is pretty much the end of this video. Once again, I would like to thank Nadula here for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to check the links in the description box. The link to the hair and everything will be down there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.